Rainy filter will give years of trouble-free performance if handled with care. Functions of the filter. The rooftop rainwater drain pipes, downflow pipes, to be joined together and connected to the inlet of rainy filter. When the rainwater flows by gravity through rainwater inlet of filter and enters the upper housing, it allows the rainwater to flow into the SS304 filter element in angular motion at specific velocity, which creates cohesive force, and this activity segregates dirt particles and clean water individually. Thereby, dirt particles and waste materials are flushed out through the drain outlet. While the clean filtered rainwater passes through clean water outlet and gets into the sump, tank, well, borewell or recharging well, etc. The special features of Rainy are: works on cohesive force, segregates dirt particles and clean water individually, filter element SS304, which can segregate up to 200 microns, tough high density polyethylene housing, wall mounting, self-cleaning, domestic, commercial and industrial use, compact design for simple installation, minimum maintenance, efficiency of filter more than 90%, all pipe connections can be turned 360 degrees. Wall mounting and fully enclosed type. The suspended particles, debris are removed continuously and flushed out. No replacement or consumables are required like in conventional filters. The filters are designed to take the load of roof area of 150 to 200 square meters at intensity of 50 millimeters rainfall per hour. The efficiency of filter even at low and high discharge of rainwater is unaffected. The efficiency of filters always remain above 90%. This unique rainwater harvesting system have been adopted in many individual houses, government and private schools, buildings, industries, and also commercial establishments.